Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be doing the basics of Excel. So this is my home screen and I already have my Excel already installed. So this is my Excel icon, Excel 2016. So I can go from here and access my Excel, or I could as well come to my search button and type Excel. So any way you want to do it is still okay. And okay, I'm going to click my Excel icon. Okay, it takes me into the Excel worksheet. Takes me into the Excel worksheet and I click new. So I have my blank worksheet. So you see book 1 here. So you might want to rename your file. So you come to file, you see a lot of things, you see new. You can also add another file here, create another file. You have open, you have add-ins, info, save as, export to YPS. I have YPS already installed in my system, that's why you have this. Then you have the print button, you have the shade, the export and more. So we've already done the new, where you can click here, you get the new Excel worksheet. You come to open. This is another icon called open. So you click on open. Here you have folders, your workbook. These are my existing files already here. So these are folders. You could open the folders and you see other Excel. So depending on how you want to where you want to place your worksheet, so you come to browse, you can decide to choose location. So that's basically that. So we have the save, where I can save my file, save as. So I prefer using the save as. So almost the same thing you saw during the open is here in the save as. So you can click, I want to save mine in my desktop. Can create a new folder in my desktop to save it. I can call it practice, and this is the name of our worksheet, teaching H. So we'll save it inside practice. So that's all. I've already saved it, that's why I press cancel. So that is for saving for the first time. So subsequently you'll be using the save button to continually save it. So we go to our sheets. We have a lot of sheets. We can add sheets inside this our workbook. So to rename your sheet, you can either double click on the sheet name. I already did something here, T1, or you can either rename your sheet as by right clicking on it, you press rename. So this will be our T3. So I can either toggle the position of this by holding onto your mouse and dragging it down here, you can toggle the position of your sheet. So looking at our icon up here, we have under our home. So we're done with the file where we had to do the save as. So under our home, we have the bold, the italize, the underline. You have here where you can add border, your color, you can change the color of your writing, you have your font theme, you have your font size. You can either increase your font size or reduce your font size, and all other features such as the fonts, the alignments, the number, the style. But for this video, we'll be focusing on this first panel, which is the font. So we'll try an example now. So let's see something like we'll type teaching, teaching, um, teaching is great. Teaching is great. So we come here, we'll be making use of the features in this particular panel. So what you do is you click on what you've written with your mouse and hold it. You can change your font size or your font type here. You have Arial, you have Arial Black. Okay, I think I should write it here so that we can see how it's changing. Teaching is great. So you click on it. Now we come here, you see we can change it, toggle it with any font you want. You can use the Arial Black, you can use as much depending on the kind of style or the kind of design you like. So I'm going to stick to Arial Black since I'm doing practice so that it will be visible for the purpose in which I'm doing this for. So we come to our font size where we have a lot of numbers. You can either reduce your font size to 8, you see how little it is. You can come to 12, 14, 16, 20. It keeps enlarging depending on what you want. So let it not be too large. I'll just try and keep it at 16. Yeah, I think that's fair enough. So this is the next one is you can either increase your font size. So if I press on increasing of font size, so this big A and small a does virtually the same thing as this, but in this you get to see the numbers and what you want to change it to. But here you just increase, so you know the next number is 20. So once you press this big A, increasing font size, it keeps increasing based on what you have here. You get, so if I'm pressing the small a, I keep reducing it by 18, reduce by 16, by 2. Each is reducing by 2, by 2, by 2, by 2. So I'll return it to 14, 16. So you can either decide to just come here, direct click the number you want, or you come here and toggle it to whatsoever size you need. So that's that for that. And okay, I use Arial Black, so this will not really show. Let's see how it goes with the bold. It's already Arial Black, and Arial Black is already like a bold kind of format. So I'll try to use another format that is a bit thin so we could see the effect of the bold. Okay, so we'll try the Calibri Light. So we come here, we press our bold button. You see it changes our fonts boldens. What we wrote is now bold. You can use the italize. You can it italicizes your writing. You see, you can either decide to underline what we've written. Teaching is great, so it's underlined. Get, teaching is great. And decide to remove the underline, remove the italic, remove the bold. but for the purpose of this teaching we'll just keep it there so that we'll see what we are doing. So we have this, which is called adding border, removing border, outside border. So this is usually good for um if you're creating something like a kind of a table. So let's see something like we do 10, we do 12, we do 16, we do just random numbers, um 13, 18, 19, 14, sorry guys, 15, 17, I think our 19 should be here. So what you want to make use of this border, so you can, so for this bottom border, so if I select this, the bottom border, you see it's just um put the border on the bottom of my table. Yeah, so I select it. Also this puts the border on the top too, so I have the top and the bottom border. And you can just keep toggling if you want to remove the, but this is for the right, the left border. um this is for the right border. Yeah, so if you want to remove the border, no border, you take it out and this is all plain. And okay, so another one is you can decide to put all border, where it puts border on all the columns and rows. So I can also decide to use the thick outside border, where I make all my border lines outside to be thick. So guys, you can just circle around this and it's pretty much simple. And this is the coloring. You can decide to fill your color. Yeah, you just select it, fill any color you want to fill with it, and just fill any color you want to fill with it. So this is this particular place is just to beautify your work, um make it look nice. So for the last thing for today will be is this font color. So we go back to this exercise. This teaching is great. We can decide to change the color of our writing. You see guys, it changed to red. You press this arrow here, you see a lot of options for colors. You can decide to use green, blue, yellow, black already there. You can use any color you want to use. You can use it any color, just to make your work beautiful and nice. So guys, that will be all for today's teaching. Thanks so much for watching. Please endeavor to subscribe to my channel and to get more of these videos. So in our next tutorial we'll be talking about the alignment column. So don't miss this class. If you're a beginner in Excel, I'm going to try to make this as easy as possible so that we can all learn from it. Thank you so much. Subscribe to my channel, like my video, and press the notification button for more videos. Thank you.